So iOS 26.5.2 is one of those types of updates that just came out, and you might be wondering how it holds up on the iPhone 15. Now, one of the big things to keep in mind here is that within, the iPhone 15, this is still a very good, powerful phone. You're still able to get, lots of cool features inside, and it is a more optimized update than something like iOS 27. Now, within iOS 26.5.2, one particular update was very important here. And that particular update was these WebKit, vulnerabilities that they kind of released. So there were lots of different WebKit vulnerabilities that were kind of there. So things like, data leaks and, issues like that. So Apple has gone through and kind of fixed and addressed these problems here. So we are now no longer basically running into those types of problems here, which I think is nice. I'm glad we don't run into those types of problems here now, but that was one of those things that we did end up noticing here too in this particular update, is that they basically fixed it, which is awesome. So we'll have to see what happens. If you have an iPhone 15, I would probably recommend every single person to go through and update your device, because that is going to be it's going to be a better version of software than what you probably think. So in terms of that basically covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.